Coronavirus, also known as SARS-CoV-2, a deadly virus that sprang up in Wuhan in China at the latter part of December, has displaced a lot of countries' economies. The virus that has claimed a lot of lives has seen health workers worldwide on their toes in finding a potent vaccine for it. Ghana, as part of the affected countries, has put in diverse measures to help bridle the spread of the virus as our case count rises to over 5,000. Some preventive protocols such as wearing face masks, washing hands with soap and running water, using of sanitizer and the likes. The Ghana East Hospital is playing a pivotal role in the fight, have received donations from individuals and groups from different backgrounds. This follows the call by President Akufo-Addo to churches and groups and individuals to support health workers with relief items. It's on this background that the Mothers Union of the Anglican Diocese have donated some items to the health workers of the hospital.
My name is Hilda Kome, and I'm from the Anglican Mothers Union. Our union is kind of an international organization within the Anglican Church, and it's worldwide. We thought it wise to come here because we operate under a concept with the acronym MULWA. MULWA simply means the Mothers Union. We listen, we observe, and we act in step with God. So having heard of what is going on, the pandemic worldwide, and in Ghana, on the radio we hear, TV we watch, we realize that this is an opportunity to come and help, especially the frontline workers. We thought it wise that we need to come and appreciate you, whatever you are doing, being the gallant soldiers in front of war, well armored. We also need to come. On behalf of our Lord Bishop of Accra, Right Reverend Sylvanus Daniel Mensah Torto, and the members of the Mothers Union, Anglican Diocese of Accra, we have our widow's mite to present to the frontline workers of Ghana East Municipal. 3,000 bottles of water for you. We have Nutri Snack biscuits, 15 packets. We have king size tissue for you, 15 gallons of water. And I hear Eku is something you love so much. So we also brought some Eku drink.
The medical superintendent of the hospital, Dr. Ebenezer Odro-Mensah, who received the items on behalf of the hospital, thanked the union for the kind gesture and appealed to the general public to emulate their gesture.
We appreciate this kind gesture. We are looking at what we as health service providers need to be healthy, okay, to ensure that we can go out there and help take care of the patients who are in our care. Currently, we are doing about 70 patients in our care. And it's a lot of stress. We've been doing this for the past 6 weeks, going 7 weeks. It's a lot of work, a lot of stress on with the staff. And we appreciate the fact that today you've thought it best to bring us items, not just to eat and keep healthy, but also to protect us from contracting the infection. The government has been very supportive, but we require such gestures from the private sector, from organizations, to support the efforts of the government. Because this virus can come to your home any day, okay? And it's nobody's fault that this virus is out there and people are contracting it. It's nobody's fault. Unfortunately, people are being stigmatized unnecessarily because they have COVID. Presidents have had COVID in some countries, prime ministers, top shots, ordinary people. It doesn't respect anybody, you know. So we need to fight against the stigma out there. And I think as the Mothers Union, you also have a role to play in educating your members and for them to also educate their wards at home and those they live with on the preventive measures put in place by government to ensure that, yes, we do not contract COVID and we will help to fight the COVID pandemic. So once again, we thank you very much, and we'll make sure that every member of staff benefits from this kind gesture.